Today we have the Pittsburgh Automotive Racing Rapid Pump Jack from Harbor Freight. 1.5 tons, aluminium. I got this from Harbor Freight with a coupon. It was less than $100. So you can't really beat that in today's world. So got the jack handle. I take all my extra bits of styrofoam and throw them up in my attic. Helps keep my garage cool. Trash. One of the nice things about these jacks is they're not that heavy. We got a little plastic gizzy to keep it in the box nice. This guy just screws in, very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 pumps to get it completely up without a load. Looks like everything's nicely greased. Everything seems to be tight. So, okay. One of the tricks to these, when you go to let them down, don't go super fast. Let them down easily. So, first time check for proper hydraulic oil level. Yada yada yada. Open release valve, remove fill cap. So yeah, follow the directions. Okay, using some jack stands, we got the back tires off and the back of the car supported. Next we'll take the front tires off one at a time, go front to back, so forth. So that's the plan. One of the things these jacks are known for is getting very tight spaces. This is how I did the other side. I literally just left the handle pretty much underneath the car because I was against my wall. So there's not much room to pump, but it pumps well enough. Efficiently enough you can get by without a lot of movement on the handle. A 30-year-old impact gun. I bought this gun used off the Mako truck 20 years ago, 30 years ago, so. Just put a little something on the lug nuts, the studs. Try not to get on your brakes. I always put these on finger tight. I've seen guys cross thread the studs on these. So take the time to put them on finger tight. Save yourself a lot of headache later on. Set your gun to stun. And just snug them up. This guy down slowly. One thing I always do is hand tighten the lug nuts. You don't necessarily have to use a torque wrench, but So take the extra time, hand tighten the lugs, and you will never have a situation when you're on the side of the highway desperately trying to get your lug nuts off. Okay, we got the tires rotated on the Scion IA, otherwise known as the Mazda 2 in the rest of the world. The Scion badge has disappeared over the years, but the Toyota IA still exists. This is a good little car. We get about 40 miles to the gallon with it on the highway. Some nice features, cruise, air, all the safety stuff. It's just a nice basic car. And at the time we bought it, it was under $20,000. Follow the directions, be safe, use jack stands, chunks of wood, whatever it takes to get the car secure. Do not rely on any jack, including these bottle jacks. Use the tire, use a spare tire. I've seen guys use spare tires. And then always follow up with hand torquing your lug nuts. I know that sounds old-fashioned, but trust me, it works. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.